Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in again. Today we've got a 2012 International Prostar double bunk sleeper, 578,000 on the odometer. It is a manual 10-speed transmission. Has been checked out thoroughly by our third-party shop that we use here in Indianapolis, Indiana. It comes with a fresh DOT inspection and it is road ready. We have aluminum steers and aluminum drives on this truck. Please check us out online. Our website is exceleratetrucks.com. There'll be a link in the description. We manage that website daily with our current and accurate inventory. You can also check us out on social media, on Facebook and Instagram. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. $578,512 miles to be exact. It's a manual 10-speed. It's a double bunk sleeper. Go ahead and roll the hood as well. Alright, again, that is a 2012 International Prostar, 578,000 on the odometer, manual 10-speed transmission, and it is a double bunk sleeper. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like and share. Check us out online at exceleratetrucks.com, Facebook and Instagram. We hope to be able to get you into a truck here very soon. Thanks for watching, everyone.